Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to enable Security Center for non-Azure VMs. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. If you remember, I turned off and showed you how you can set it auto provisioning to turn on under the data collection for your Security Center. So if I set it to turn off and turn on and click on save, and you know how to go there. You go to Security Center, pricing and settings, you select your subscription, and then you go under data collection, and then you set the auto provisioning to off or on. Let's say you have onboarded the Azure subscription, we can enable Security Center for resources running outside of Azure as well. For example, your on-prem VMs or in another clouds as well. But you have to provision the Microsoft monitoring agent to be deployed. So in this video, we will see how to install the Microsoft monitoring agent on a Windows computer, and after that, which will help you to enable Security Center for the resources that are outside of your Azure. So in the Security Center, you go into the overview. And if you go here under the Getting Started tab and you click on Install Agent, so it shows you that make the most of Security Center by enabling data collection agents. To receive security alerts and recommendations, agent must be installed on the virtual machine for data settings. Install agent automatically in the selected subscription, right? And install agent manually. If you already have another workspace, you may want to connect virtual machines to it. And you can continue without installing agents, because I do not have any VM deployed. Because if you would see under the compute and apps, I do not have any VM here. So if you would click on VMs and servers, I do not have one. So if you would click on add servers here, so it says that to onboard servers to Security Center, create a new workspace in which to store the data for use. One of the workspaces listed below. So like you click on create new workspace, and then you would enter all the details here, the resource group name and the region in which you want to deploy that workspace. And then you would select the pricing tier, which is by default. Then you would enter tags and you create the workspace. After you create the workspace, then you would have to go under the Security Center pricing and settings. I'm sorry, the getting started page, and then you would select and click on upgrade to upgrade your Security Center, because I've already used trial. So if you have not used trial period, then you can click on upgrade and use the trial period. Configure a VM and then install the Microsoft monitoring agent onto that VM, and then you would be able to see the data. When you would go under the compute and apps, you would see the recommendations here. And if you have app services or you're using container instances or VMSS, virtual machine skill set, you would see these and you would see all the recommendations. And when you would go to pricing and settings, select your subscription, go under the data collection, and then you can have the data, like what kind of data you want to collect as far as Windows security events are concerned. So I hope this was informative for all of you. Please, if you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.